The purpose of estate planning is to plan for your estate, or what I like to call it, legacy planning, to make sure that your legacy is intact, to make sure that your life savings goes to the right people at the right time and not to the wrong people or at the wrong time. Estate planning is very important because if you don't do it right, your life savings could literally go to the wrong person, or you could end up paying more in estate taxes than you otherwise should have paid. And one of the most important reasons is because if you don't do it right, there could be fighting after you pass away. Your loved ones may fight over your estate because of greed. Greed does crazy things with people. You don't have to be rich to develop an estate plan. We encourage everybody. In fact, we would recommend that everybody have an estate plan. Right? An estate plan could be as simple as a will and powers of attorney, but everybody needs it because everybody wants their money, their life savings, to go to the right people at the right time. Estate planning involves wills, trusts, powers of attorney, living wills, also known as advanced directive or directive, kids guardianship, who would raise your children if something happened to you, pre-need guardianship, who would take care of you if something were to happen to you, cremation and burial, who do you want to be cremated or buried, asset titling, beneficiary titling, all of those issues wrapped in one. It is so important to use an attorney when it comes to estate planning, and not only an attorney, but an attorney who focuses on estate planning. Oftentimes people do it themselves online. They don't sign their documents, or they sign them without the proper witnesses, or they sign them with a witness who is not disinterested, or they just craft the documents in a way that gives the money to literally the wrong person or to the right person at the wrong timing. And so it's crucial that you work with an attorney who's walked through hundreds, if not over 1,000 scenarios like this, so that they ask the right questions. I mean, we're talking about your life savings here. Do you really want to try to save a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s? Our experience with estate planning is extensive. We've done over 1,000 estate plans for people: wills, trusts, powers of attorney, deeds, probate, you name it. So we've done a ton. We've seen it all, from someone who maybe has a couple $100,000 saved up of their life savings to people who have 8 and 9 figures in savings. And it's fun to work with people. It is so impactful because a lot of our clients shed tears just thinking about their life savings going to these people and how it can impact them. So I really get a lot of reward out of that in my job, not seeing people cry, but knowing how important the work that we're doing is. I believe our clients hire us because we're responsive. We tend to get back to them quickly when they contact us. We give very personalized service. It's not handing off to clerks here and there. We have upfront pricing that's transparent on our website, and that's very different for our industry, which is typically not going to tell you the price up front. We have extremely competitive fees, and on our personal injury contingency cases, we have lower contingency fees than industry average. I think to know what our clients would say about us, you could just go online and read the reviews. There's over 500 reviews across Yelp, Google, Justia, Avvo, lots of different places next door where people leave reviews. And the things that they tend to say about us is we have personalized service, we're efficient, we are a firm where they didn't have the stress and anxiety that they thought they would feel when they were seeking out a law firm. They enjoyed the one-on-one style service that we provide, and they've just really enjoyed working with us, and we enjoy our clients. We get a lot of gratitude ourselves in serving our clients. Client communication is vital. Clients need to know that we care, and one of the ways they get to see that we care is by a quick response. Now, we're not always able to call them back immediately, but really as a firm, we have a goal of trying to contact them within 7 minutes. We can't guarantee that, but we try hard, and we try to email them and call them back or text them just as quickly as we can, because it sets the pace for who we are as a firm. We're responsive, we're personalized, and we really care about them. And if we take days to get back to them, they're not going to think that we care. We really do care, and it shows in our response times. We are a small boutique firm, and I think that serves our clients well because they get that individualized one-on-one service, that customization where they're not just being pawned off to another lower level attorney or to a clerk or to an admin. We're really getting in deep with them one-on-one with the attorney they're working with, or in some cases we have a few attorneys that we work with. But I think that small boutique-y feel really helps our clients know that they're going to get the service that they deserve. When you contact us for an initial free consultation, First of all, we're going to try and respond to you as quickly as possible. We're going to call, email, text you to try to get in touch with you just as soon as we can. And we got a great online booking system so that you can book your own appointment without having to go between us and figure out times. And then when we do that meeting, we can do it by phone, Zoom, or in person. We're going to ask about you. We're going to have you fill out a questionnaire ahead of time so that we can have the best framework set up to ask you the right questions to figure out what's important to you and what you need given your life situation.